Today, we have another expression to simplify, and the expression is if 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2 is expressed in the form of x minus y root 2. Find the values of x and y. To do this, we have to find the conjugate of the denominator to rationalize this fraction. And the conjugate of the denominator is simply when you change the sign here to the opposite sign. As we have 1 minus root 2 here, the conjugate of this will be 1 plus root 2. I will use it to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Now let's get to the board and solve it together. So here we have 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus root 2. We'll multiply it by the conjugate, which will be what? 1 plus root 2 over 1 plus root 2. Having this, we'll say 1 times 1, that will give us 1. We'll say this one times root 2, and that will be plus root 2. You come to the next one, plus root 2 times 1 will give us plus root 2. And you also say plus root 2 times plus root 2. That will give us what? It will give us plus 2. You remember when I said earlier that whenever you have root x times root x, it should give you just x. Once we are here, we'll go to the denominator. We'll say 1 times 1, and that will be 1. 1 times plus root 2 will be what? Plus root 2. We say minus root 2 times 1 will be minus root 2. Finally, minus root 2 times plus root 2 will be minus 2. Don't forget, minus times plus will give you minus. Now, we have 1 plus 2, which is 3. And we have root 2 plus root 2, that is 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2, that is 1 plus 1. So that will be what? Plus 2 root 2 over. Now, please take a closer look at the denominator. You will notice that we have this guy here and we have this guy here. They are the same. The only thing is that we have the sign in front of them different. So in this case, plus root 2 minus root 2 will cancel out each other. And we have 1 minus 2 at the denominator. And that will give us what? That will give us 3 plus 2 root 2 over minus 1. The moment we get to this point, what are we expected to do? Please understand that these guys, that is 3 plus 2 root 2, have the same denominator in common. And the denominator is minus 1. It then means that I can write this as 3 over minus 1 plus 2 root 2 over minus 1. So minus 1 takes care of this. This will be minus 3. So please take note that our x here is this minus 3. And our y is minus 2. Our answer will be minus 3 and minus 2 respectively, which is option A. Thank you. If you found value in this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Also remember to turn on the notifications so that whenever we drop any video like this, you'll be the first person to get it. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next part.